Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. Today's episode is going to be a request video. This video was requested by Daenerys Targaryen. She requested to make a pepperoni pizza with the dough included. We might film another episode showing how to make a pepperoni pizza, but first we'll start by making a dough. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are 125 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of yeast, 1 pinch of salt, about 80 milliliters of warm water, and finally some breadcrumbs. So to start off, take a large bowl and add your flour in there. To that, add the pinch of salt and give it a good mix. Set it aside. Take your warm water and add the yeast to it. And give it a good stir until everything is nice and mixed. That's about right. Take the flour and add your yeast to it. With a spoon or with your hands, mix everything up. Keep mixing until you have a dough-like shape. There you go, that's about right. Now make sure you have a clean surface and dump your dough on there. Scrape off the spoon. Now with your hands, start kneading it. As you can see, the dough is now really sticky. We're going to add a little bit of flour. Just a light dusting, a little bit on the surface as well. There we go. And then keep kneading it. As you can see, it's nicely kneaded. All you have to do now is just make a nice ball shape out of it. Once you have a nice ball-like shape, we can move to the next step. Take a large bowl or a plate or whatever and put it in there. Then take a damp cloth and cover it. Put it into a warm place for at least 2 hours so that the dough can rise. So, about 2 hours later, the dough has risen. I kind of forgot to tell you guys that you can use breadcrumbs to dust the surface where you're putting your dough in. That way it's easier to put it out. I myself forgot to do this also, but you can also use this in the next stage. Now take a surface and cover it with flour. You can also cover it with a little bit of breadcrumbs. Take the dough and place it on the flour. Now we're going to knead the dough into a flat shape. You can also stretch it by hand. Just make a nice round shape. There you go. That's about as far as my dough will go. And there you have it. You have your canvas to make your pizza on. You can top it off with whatever you want. Any combination will do. Some people may say pineapple goes also on pizza, but that's of course debatable.
I think it does.
I think it doesn't.
I think it does.
Pineapple should not go on pizza!
Yes, it should!
So, thank you guys for watching this episode. I really hope that you enjoyed it and maybe learned something. And as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye!